This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing, which is a subsidiary of Paloma Group. The units are available in the USA but only through authorized dealers. All of the units have a louvered metal jacket to protect the coil from damage and a much better looking design than Ruud products of the past, but their guarantee is not as good as some of the other brands. The WP14 models are basic units with a 9 HSPF efficiency rating that are more of a builder-grade heat pump, as they have a boxy look to them, and their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The RP14AZ Achiever Series models are basic heat pumps with a composite base pan for quieter operation. The units have a single-row condenser coil which allows the unit to be kept cleaner to maintain system performance. They have a heating efficiency of up to 7.6 HSPF and communicating ability. The RP16 premium units, part of their Achiever series, have 2-speed compressors and integrated heat pump lift receptacles, which allows standard CPVC stands to be inserted into the base. This is very nice for areas that receive significant snowfall, as the units can be easily raised to maintain performance. The UP20 model is their entry into the ultimate category, and it is a combination of modern styling with high efficiency. The units have brushless DC condenser fan motors for quieter and more reliable operation. They have advanced onboard diagnostics as well as state-of-the-art electronic expansion valves for refrigerant control, and are backed by a pretty good warranty. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.